Are you trying to gain muscle, boost energy, and recover faster? Then don't overlook this simple powerhouse, peanut butter. First off, peanut butter is loaded with plant-based protein. Just 2 tablespoons give you about 8 grams of protein, perfect for muscle repair and growth. While it's not a complete protein, it works great alongside other protein-rich foods in your diet. Peanut butter nutrition per 2 tablespoons, 32 grams, 190 to 200 kcal, provides energy for workouts and bulking. 7 to 8 g. Protein. Helps in muscle building and repair. 16 g. Total fat. Supports hormone production like testosterone. 6 g. Carbohydrates. Provides fuel for workouts. 50 milligrams. Magnesium. Essential for muscle contraction and recovery. 180 milligrams. Potassium. Helps prevent cramps and supports muscle function. The fats in peanut butter are mostly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the good kind. They support testosterone production, joint health, and give you long-lasting energy during intense workouts. Peanut butter is calorie-dense, meaning you get a lot of energy in a small amount of food. That makes it ideal for clean bulking, gaining lean mass without the junk. If you're struggling to gain weight, peanut butter is a great choice because it's calorie-dense and packed with protein and healthy fats that support muscle growth and mass gain. Adding a spoon of peanut butter to your protein shake boosts its nutritional value with healthy fats, protein, and extra calories, perfect for muscle growth and energy. It also enhances the flavor, making your shake creamier and more satisfying. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Overall Fitness Gallery, and share this with your gym buddy.